Old Panasonic Eco Eye, 12,000 BTU, the Eco Navi. And, did I say Eco Eye? That's the big guy. So this has never been cleaned since 2014. And as you can see, that was back when I installed it. And your model numbers, this is right there. And you can see the little bit of dust buildup on it. That's because it was in a fairly clean location. It wasn't the dirtiest location I've ever been in. And if you actually look real close, you can see the silver on the metal in the tubes. Right there. So if we're going for this many years, that is pretty good. The only thing was just dusting off the filters that were on here. They were only vacuumed. That was it on that. And then coming down here and looking, look at the, let's see if you could see the fins. Can you see the squirrel cage up in there? Get my hand up there and roll it. Right there you go. Now you can see the squirrel cage, how clean they are. And this is what a unit looks like that's 7 years old, that's been used all the time for 7 years. In a clean location compared to all those other ones you've seen me do videos of before that were completely caked and took hours to clean with squirrel cage that looked like a big fuzzy caterpillar filled with mildew. All right, that's it. That's just an example of 7 years of operation without cleaning in a fairly clean location.